Most contractors don't realize they are losing money because of one simple issue. They stick with software that doesn't fully match how their business actually runs. And over time, that small mismatch turns into wasted hours, missed invoices, and poor job tracking. Here's the truth no one tells you. Knowify is a strong tool, but it is not the perfect fit for every contractor. Depending on your business size, trade, and workflow, there may be better alternatives that are simpler, cheaper, or more powerful in different ways. Quick promise. In this video, you'll discover the best Knowify alternatives in 2026, what each one is best at, and how to quickly figure out which software actually fits your contracting business. Let's start with the most common alternative, Jobber. Jobber is built for home service businesses that focus on scheduling, customer communication, and fast payments. Think of someone like Alex, who runs a cleaning service. He doesn't need deep construction job costing. He needs fast booking reminders and smooth invoicing. That's where Jobber performs really well. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your focus is more on construction project management, Buildertrend is a major alternative. It is designed for larger remodeling and building companies. Someone like John, who manages multiple home renovation projects, benefits from Buildertrend because it handles scheduling, client updates, and full project tracking in one system. But here's the problem. Some contractors jump into Buildertrend, thinking it is a simple upgrade from Knowify. Then they realize it is much more complex and takes time to fully learn. So it is powerful, but not always beginner-friendly. Another strong alternative is Housecall Pro. This one sits between Jobber and more advanced construction tools. It is popular with HVAC, plumbing, and electrical businesses that want strong scheduling, dispatching, and payment tools without heavy complexity. It is often easier to adopt than Knowify for service-focused teams. Now let's talk about Service. This is a heavy-duty platform for large service businesses. It includes advanced reporting, marketing tools, and deep operational control. But it also comes with higher cost and complexity, so it is usually not ideal for small contractors. So how do you choose the right alternative? It comes down to one simple question. Do you need deep job costing and construction control, or do you need fast scheduling and customer management? Knowify leans more toward job costing and contractor financial tracking. Alternatives like Jobber and Housecall Pro focus more on speed and service efficiency. Here's the bottom line. The best Knowify alternative is not one single tool. It depends on your business type. Jobber is great for simple service businesses. Housecall Pro is great for growing service teams. Buildertrend is best for large construction projects. And Service is for enterprise-level operations. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, comment with your trade, and subscribe for more clear comparisons that help you choose software without confusion or wasted money.